Our next section is analytic function. A single valued function f of z is said to be analytic at the point z0 if it is defined and it is differentiable at z0. That is, a function f of z is said to be analytic if it is differentiable. That is, differentiability implies analytic. Note, if two real valued continuous functions u of xy and v of xy of two real variables xy have continuous first order partial derivatives that satisfies the CR equations, then it is analytic. That is, a function is said to be analytic if it satisfies the CR equations. Problems. Problems from this section is check analytic or not. The function is analytic or not. First problem. Check if f of z equal to e raised to x into cos y plus I sin y is analytic or not. Here check the function f of z is analytic or not. If a function is analytic, if it satisfies the CR equations. Here, what is f of z? Here f of z equal to e raised to x into cos y plus I sin y. That is equal to, open the bracket, this is e raised to x cos y plus I e raised to x sin y. This is f of z. We know that f of z is function of z, that is denoted as w or u plus iv. Listen, f of z is denoted as w or u plus iv. Here comparing, here u plus iv, comparing these two, the real part u, here the real part u equal to e raised to x cos y. And the imaginary part is e raised to x sin y. What is the imaginary part? Imaginary part is v. That is v equal to e raised to x sin y. Then check it satisfies the CR equations. First we find ux. What is ux? Differentiating u with respect to x. Listen, e raised to x cos y. Differentiating this e raised to x cos y with respect to x means y is constant. So here cos y is constant. Cos y into derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x itself. E raised to x. So ux is e raised to x cos y. Then uy. Differentiating u with respect to y. Differentiating u with respect to y is e raised to x. Here e raised to x is constant. Then derivative of cos y. What is the derivative of cos? Minus sin. So minus sin y. Similarly, we find vx and vy. What is vx? Differentiating v with respect to x. That is e raised to x derivative of e raised to x sin y with respect to x. Here sin y is constant, so sin y is constant. Derivative of e raised to x, e raised to x. Then vy, differentiating v with respect to y. Here x is constant. So e raised to x into derivative of sin y is cos y. Here ux equal to, listen, ux equal to e raised to x cos y. Vy equal to e raised to x cos y. Means here ux equal to Vy. And uy is minus e raised to x sin y. Here Vx equal to e raised to x sin y. That is Vx uy equal to minus Vx. This is the CR equations. This f of z satisfies the CR equation. That means this f of z is analytic. Okay, satisfies the CR equations. So f of z is analytic. Okay.